I'm going to talk in this recording a little bit about organization of your course and how to nest content. Since the lesson tabs in Angel supports nested content, you do have the ability to organize your content in a variety of ways. Why do you care about nesting? Well, it's going to allow your students to easily find the information they need. It's also going to allow you to be able to find the information in your content that you need, and it will also allow you, should you choose, to reveal content gradually. So there are four basic principles of nesting content you can see here. First level content, effective titling, organizing sequential content, and organizing a one-stop shopping place. So let's talk a little bit about first level content first. First level content refers to what your students will see when they first click on the Lessons tab. This will serve as an entry point to all of your course material, and each one of these entry point items acts as a sign that tells your students where to click to go deeper into your course to get information. Because of this, the information on your first level needs to be easy to read, easy to scan, and easy to navigate. You'll also notice in these two examples I'm showing you, it's better to organize your content into folders at the first level. When students click on the Lessons tab, then they'll see a series of folders that breaks the course down into useful categories. The second rule of nesting is using effective titles. And you'll see on these two examples, the one on the left, the titles, the words that the students say hopefully make sense. Assignment number 1, Exploring the World of Business. Reading, assignment number 1. Homework, assignment number 1. And then assignment number 1 has a subtitle, Turn in your homework here. So very easy to understand just what you should do, as opposed to the window on the right that has important information, and then it has syllabus spelled wrong, and then it has assignment 1, but the subtitle underneath that talks about assignment 2 instructions, and then there's something called README, and then there's something called Don't Forget, and I don't really know what those mean, and another typo on the last one. So this is not well titled. Make your titles meaningful, make them fairly short too. They do not have to be super long to be useful. The next thing we're going to talk about is organizing sequential content. This is one way you might want to organize your content. This is one particular way. Well, when you click on the Lessons tab, you will see folders for instructions, folders for readings, folders for homework, folders for drop boxes, whatever works for your course. And then if a student was to click on instructions, inside they would see the week 1 instructions, the week 2 instructions, the week 3 instructions. So nesting your content, and in this way you could perhaps make the drop boxes not show for the first week until you needed them. You could only make the homework for week 1 show, and then later make week 2 show, and later make week 3 show. Now, I frankly don't find this to be a very good way to organize content though. If I want to find out everything for week 1, I need to go into the instructions folder, and then I need to go back into the readings folder, and then I need the homework folder and the Dropbox folder. No, I'm almost getting dizzy trying to find my content. I find this a better way to organize your course, that the top level folders are perhaps week 1, week 2, week 3, or you could have it chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, or you could have it lesson A, B, C, or whatever works for your organization. And then inside of week 1 are all the instructions, all the readings, all the homework, and all the Dropbox information. Inside week 3, all the instructions, all of this, and all of this are in one place. And this is what they mean by one-stop shopping. I go into one folder and find all the content I need for that one week or chapter or lesson. And I find this to be a much better way to organize content for my mind, and I think it's better for our students as well.